Today I got a 2017 Traverse and I'm programming the key fob. Diagnostics. Let's go into hot functions. Mechanical. Kind of tailgate do I have? Manual. And immobilizing keys. Add, replace key fobs. Key fob 3. I did 1 and 2 already. Set the control module in learn mode by selecting learn. Select the key fob to be added to the keyless entry control module, which is right here. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on this key fob at the same time. When the key fob is added to the control module successfully, the parameter will show learnt. Continue. Turn the ignition on. The ignition is on. It's starting to get hot in here. Continue. Press learn. Press and hold the key fob at the same time. It says learned. Now let's try it. Lock, unlock. Just that simple. That's basically it. Now I get 3 fobs. It says learned right there.